The area we're dealing in, I mean, we go from, we've got the mountain behind us and we've got the sea at the other side of us. So we do get a fairly good spread of challenges, I suppose you could put it. So when we start talking about systems that are by the beach and in some cases on the beach, we're confident that it's going to be there for the long term. Salt tolerances, I mean, we've had some pretty big seas in recent times, and a salt spray goes back a very, very long way. So it's important for the customer to know that the panels that they're using or the products that we're using got a very high salt tolerance. The other side of the coin is when we start hitting the mountain area, there's a lot of trees, it is a rural area, and then from that perspective we're looking at panels that have a very high shade tolerance. Pointless putting a good quality product up there when you've got inferior product holding it on the roof. The thought then is it going to stay there? The components need to be able to hold the integrity of the panels. They need to make sure the panels aren't going to come off the roof. And in 10 years I've never lost a panel, and I have no intention of downgrading the quality of any of the fixtures for that to happen. You can try and cut costs to the customer by getting a cheaper installer. But my philosophy is if you pay your installers right and the job's done right, then you don't have any problems. So I don't like running around fixing things on site, and if I sell good quality products installed by quality installers, I don't have that problem.